Hello there. Today, we're testing your knowledge of 20 common English idioms. Let's see how many you know. What does piece of cake mean? A. Something very difficult to do. B. A very easy task. C. A challenging puzzle. D. Something bitter and unpleasant. Answer B. A very easy task. Example, the math test was a piece of cake for Sarah. She finished it in just 20 minutes. What does break a leg mean? A. Suffer a serious injury. B. Run as fast as you can. C. Good luck. D. Don't give up. Answer C. Good luck. Example, break a leg, his friends shouted as he went on stage for his big performance. What does hit the nail on the head mean? A. To make a serious mistake. B. To be exactly right about something. C. To fix something quickly. D. To speak aggressively. Answer B. To be exactly right about something. Example, when she said we need better communication, she hit the nail on the head. What does let the cat out of the bag mean? A. To spoil a secret. B. To free a trapped animal. C. To lose something valuable. D. To speak carelessly. Answer A. To spoil a secret. Example, I was planning a surprise party for him, but John let the cat out of the bag. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? A. To be extremely cheap. B. To be very expensive. C. To be painful. D. To require a lot of effort. Answer B. To be very expensive. Example, that new phone cost an arm and a leg, but I love it. What does under the weather mean? A. To feel happy. B. To be ill or unwell. C. To be tired after traveling. D. To stay indoors due to bad weather. Answer B. To be ill or unwell. Example, I couldn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. What does bite the bullet mean? A. To be very careful. B. To make a difficult decision or endure something unpleasant. C. To eat something hard. D. To dodge a problem. Answer B. To make a difficult decision or endure something unpleasant. Example, I didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet and get my tooth fixed. What does speak of the devil mean? A. To talk about bad things happening. B. To refer to someone just before they appear. C. To curse someone. D. To argue with someone. Answer B. To refer to someone just before they appear. Example, speak of the devil, there's John, just as we were talking about him. What does when pigs fly mean? A. When something will never happen. B. When something is highly likely to happen. C. When animals start behaving strangely. D. When someone is acting foolish. Answer A. When something will never happen. Example, do you think he'll clean his room? Yeah, when pigs fly. What does cut to the chase mean? A. To avoid running. B. To hurry through something. C. To get to the point. D. To start a chase scene in a movie. Answer C. To get to the point. Example, we don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase. What's the issue? What does add fuel to the fire mean? A. To calm a tense situation. B. To make a problem worse. C. To burn something quickly. D. To solve a problem. Answer B. To make a problem worse. Example: his rude comments just added fuel to the fire during the argument. What does go the extra mile mean? A. To drive further than necessary. B. To work harder than expected. C. To take a long walk. D. To complete something last minute. Answer B. To work harder than expected. Example: the team went the extra mile to ensure the project was finished on time. What does out of the blue mean? A. Suddenly and unexpectedly. B. After a long wait. C. As part of a pattern. D. Out of sadness. Answer A. Suddenly and unexpectedly. Example: he showed up out of the blue after 5 years of no contact. What does a blessing in disguise mean? A. Something that looks bad but turns out good. B. A religious act. C. A surprise party. D. An invisible gift. Answer A. Something that looks bad but turns out good. Example: losing my job was a blessing in disguise. It gave me time to start my own business. What does put all your eggs in one basket mean? A. To be too optimistic. B. To take a big risk by relying on one thing. C. To plan carefully. D. To carry too many things. Answer B. To take a big risk by relying on one thing. Example: it's risky to invest all your money in one company. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. What does spill the beans mean? A. To waste food. B. To reveal a secret. C. To mess up a plan. D. To lose a game. Answer B. To reveal a secret. Example: she accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. What does hit the sack mean? A. To work hard. B. To fall asleep. C. To punch a bag. D. To take a break. Answer B. To fall asleep. Example: I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. What does jump on the bandwagon mean? A. To join in with something popular. B. To drive a bandwagon. C. To ignore trends. D. To criticize popular ideas. Answer A. To join in with something popular. Example: he didn't care about soccer, but once the team started winning, he jumped on the bandwagon. What does a penny for your thoughts mean? A. To ask someone what they are thinking. B. To offer someone money. C. To remind someone to save money. D. To give advice. Answer A. To ask someone what they are thinking. Example: you've been quiet for a while, penny for your thoughts. What does bite the dust mean? A. To eat something dry. B. To fail or be defeated. C. To start a new project. D. To clean a dusty place. Answer B. To fail or be defeated. Example: another one of our competitors bit the dust after failing to keep up with the market. Thanks so much for watching. How did you do on the idiom quiz? Let me know your score in the comments below.